This is the memorial that is for the I-40 collapse of the bridge that took place. And of course, I want to take you to the memorial site itself and let you read the side of it. And of course, the words that are there in loving memory of our friends and family members lost in the I-40 bridge tragedy of May 26, 2002, Webbers Falls, Oklahoma, dedicated May 26 in 2003. And this is as you can see, an active place, an important part of a community. As you can see, a community has established an important part of art that pays homage to such a tragedy, which always great things do bring shadow of tragedy with it. Or should I say, tragedy always brings the light of great things. Going Home, dedicated by the town of Weber Falls, Oklahoma, Department of Transportation, Federal Highway Administration. So there you know where this is from, and the name of it is called Going Home, dedicated by, of course, as we know, town of Weber Falls, Oklahoma Department of Transportation, Federal Highway Administration. Take a closer look at it. As you know, please do not climb on it because it has to be preserved. And when you look at a piece of something like that and understand with the American flag flying behind it, it wasn't far behind the collapse of the World Trade Center that had Americans shaken and stirred, concerned about what our democracy was being exposed to.